Ride in the 2020 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, driver memory seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.